and this is episode 3 of Allison's Picks. I'm going to talk about how good I do at school. My teacher does this thing called Snoopy stamps, and when you're bad, you get 0, and when you're a little bit good, you get 1. And when you're real good, you get 2 on both your hands. And then you get to go home. And here's a space between. At math. I do real good at math, and math's a little bit hard, but it's a little bit fun. So, bye! See you next time on episode 3 of Allison's Picks.